Antarctica, the southernmost continent, the coldest place on Earth, and where I was born.
Riku, there is nothing. There is absolutely nothing down there. Just white. Forever just white. How is this your home?
That smell. Ice and ocean and cold air. I have not smelled this since I was a chick. This is home.
It is so cold. How is this your home? How are you living here? I cannot feel my tail. Riku, my tail.
Antarctica is the 5th largest continent, bigger than Europe. It holds 90% of all the ice on Earth, and it is the coldest, driest, and windiest continent on the planet. All 3 records at once.
Riku the penguin! Hey! Zumi the monkey! Hey! Best friends flying all around the world! Riku and Zumi, let's go, round and round the globe we roll, counting colors, names of places, new hellos and smiling faces. Riku and Zumi hop on board, learning while we explore the world. Snowy peaks, sandy shore, how many flags? Let's count some more. Spin the globe, point and shout, let's find out what this place is about.
Riku, there are thousands of them. They all look like tiny yous.
Emperor penguins, the largest penguins on Earth, and the only animals that breed during the Antarctic winter, the most extreme breeding season of any creature alive.
Hello, I am Zumi. I am a monkey. I come in peace. Please do not judge my tail. I know it looks different.
In winter, minus 60 degrees and 200-kilometer-per-hour winds, emperor penguins huddle together in their thousands. The ones on the outside slowly move to the warm center. Every penguin takes turns being cold, so the group stays warm. The male emperor penguin stands in the winter blizzard for 2 months, balancing a single egg on his feet to keep it warm. He does not eat, does not move, just stands there in the coldest place on Earth, protecting 1 egg.
Riku, are your family here somewhere in this colony?
I do not know. But every single penguin here came from the same place I did. That is enough. The coldest temperature ever recorded on Earth was minus 89.2 degrees Celsius, right here in Antarctica. Water boils at 100 degrees. This was 89 degrees below zero. Metal shatters at this temperature. Breath freezes instantly in the air.
I just threw hot water in the air, and it became snow before it landed. It skipped being water entirely. It just went straight to snow. This place is not real.
Antarctica is also the world's largest desert. It receives almost no rain or snow each year, less than the Sahara. All this ice built up over millions of years, one tiny snowflake at a time. Antarctica also holds the record for the strongest winds ever recorded on Earth, over 320 kilometers per hour. These are called katabatic winds, cold air rushing down from the high ice plateau like a frozen waterfall. The ice we are standing on right now is up to 4.8 kilometers thick in places, deeper than the height of 5 Eiffel Towers stacked on top of each other. And underneath all this ice, there are mountains, lakes, and even volcanoes.
Wow!
What is that? Riku, what is that? It is smiling at us, and I don't like it.
Leopard seal, Antarctica's top predator. It can grow 3.5 meters long. And yes, it does mostly eat penguins.
Oh no!
Orca whales, killer whales, are the most intelligent ocean hunters on Earth. They hunt in packs like wolves, communicate in their own dialects, and have been known to intentionally beach themselves briefly to catch seals off ice shelves. The wandering albatross, the largest wingspan of any living bird at over 3.5 meters. It can fly for years without landing, sleeping on the wing, gliding on Antarctic winds. Some have flown over 1 million kilometers in a lifetime. And in the deep Antarctic waters below us, up to 2,000 meters down in complete darkness, lives the colossal squid, bigger than a school bus, the largest invertebrate on Earth, almost never seen by humans.
In summer, the sun never sets, and in winter, it never rises? So sometimes you have a day that is 6 months long?
Exactly! In midsummer here, the sun circles the sky all day and all night. It does not set, it just keeps going. Antarctica belongs to no single country. In 1959, 12 nations signed the Antarctic Treaty, agreeing that Antarctica would be used only for peaceful purposes and scientific research. Today, 56 countries have signed it. It is the world's greatest act of global cooperation. There are 56 research stations across Antarctica, run by 30 different countries. Scientists from nations that might disagree about everything else work side by side here, sharing discoveries. Antarctica makes neighbors out of everyone.
So no armies are allowed? No mining? No one can claim it? It is just a place where people go to find out how the world works?
Exactly! A continent-sized laboratory, the most protected place on Earth, protected not by walls, but by an agreement between countries. Antarctica is Earth's natural air conditioner. Its white ice reflects sunlight back into space, keeping our whole planet cooler. If all the ice here melted, sea levels would rise by 60 meters, enough to cover most of the world's cities. Riku, what is that? Aurora Australis, the southern lights. Charged particles from the sun hitting Earth's atmosphere. But we just call it the sky on fire. I left Antarctica when I was very young. I have learned about the whole world since then. I have seen jungles and deserts and cities and rivers. But this is the only place where I feel this way. Like I am exactly where I am supposed to be.
Riku, I have been cold this entire time, and I cannot feel 3 of my fingers, and I am genuinely worried about my tail. But
I am really glad I came here with you. Antarctica recap. Coldest place on Earth, minus 89 degrees. Iciest, 90% of all Earth's ice. Windiest, 320 kilometers per hour. Driest, it is a desert, and the only continent owned by nobody.
goodbye, Antarctica. Ready to go somewhere warm?
Very ready. Your challenge? Can you name 5 incredible Antarctica facts? Coldest, driest, windiest, iciest, and the only continent that belongs to everyone? Subscribe so you never miss a Riku and Zumi adventure, and next time I promise it will be warm. New discovery every week. We will see you out there. Bye!
Riku and Zumi.